Welcome to the unveiling of the Fairphone Gen 6, a smartphone launched on June 25, 2025 that seamlessly blends cutting-edge technology with a deep commitment to sustainability and user empowerment. This device isn't just about keeping up with the latest trends, it's about redefining what a smartphone can be. Designed to last, easy to repair, and crafted with ethical principles, the Fairphone Gen 6 prioritizes your time, privacy, and values while delivering impressive performance. The Fairphone Gen 6 is a triumph of thoughtful design. It's 9% lighter than its predecessor, the Fairphone 5, and boasts a more compact, ergonomic form factor that feels comfortable in the hand. Its matte composite body is both stylish and resilient, with an IP55 rating for splash and dust resistance. Drop tested to withstand falls from up to 1.5 meters, the phone is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7i, ensuring resistance to scratches and everyday wear. Available in 3 striking colors, cloud white, forest green, and horizon black, it's a device that looks as good as it performs. What truly sets it apart is its modular design, allowing users to swap out 12 different components, including the battery, screen, cameras, and USB port, using just a standard screwdriver. No glue, no proprietary tools, just simple screws for effortless repairs. Fairphone takes modularity further with a new accessory system. By removing 2 screws, you can attach backplates with features like a card holder, finger loop, or lanyard, adding functionality without compromising the phone's sleek profile. Fairphone even shares the device's measurements publicly, encouraging users to create their own accessories backed by a 5-year warranty. This phone is built to stay relevant and functional for years. Powering the Fairphone Gen 6 is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 chipset, an octa-core processor with a peak speed of 2.5 GHz. This chip delivers near flagship performance in a mid-range package, making it ideal for multitasking, gaming, or photo editing. Paired with 8 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 256 GB of UFS 3.1 storage, it ensures smooth operation and fast data access. For those needing more space, a micro SD slot supports up to 2 TB of expandable storage, offering flexibility without forcing users into pricier storage tiers. The 4415 mAh removable battery is a standout feature, providing up to 53 hours of usage or over 12 hours of web browsing on a single charge. With 30-watt wired charging, it reaches 50% capacity in just 25 minutes. When the battery eventually degrades, you can replace it in minutes, eliminating planned obsolescence. Connectivity is robust with 5G, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, and a USB-C 2.0 port that supports ODZ for connecting USB sticks, SD cards, or audio amplifiers. The display is another highlight, featuring a 631-inch LTPO p-OLED panel with a full HD plus resolution of 2484 x 1116 pixels and a pixel density of 431 ppi. Slightly smaller than the Fairphone 5's 6.46-inch screen, it's sharper and more power efficient. The adaptive refresh rate, ranging from 10 to 120 Hz, ensures smooth scrolling and animations with a peak brightness of 1400 nits. The screen remains legible in bright sunlight, and Gorilla Glass 7e adds durability. The camera system is designed for versatility and quality, featuring a triple lens rear setup, a 50MP main sensor with optical image stabilization, a 50MP ultra-wide lens with macro capabilities offering 10x digital zoom. The 32MP front camera excels for selfies and video calls. Running on EOS, a privacy-focused Android fork, the Fairphone Gen 6 is free of bloatware and Google tracking, with regular software updates guaranteed for 8 years. This ensures long-term security and functionality without compromising user privacy. Sustainability is at the heart of the Fairphone. It uses 50% recycled or fair trade materials, from its aluminum frame to its plastic components, and its production is 100% electronic waste neutral. Fairphone continues its commitment to fair wages and safe working conditions for factory workers, setting a standard for ethical manufacturing. This phone empowers users to take control, whether by repairing it themselves, customizing it with accessories, or knowing their purchase supports a fairer supply chain. It's a device that aligns with your values without sacrificing performance. In conclusion, the Fairphone is more than a smartphone. It's a movement toward a more sustainable, user-centric future with its powerful hardware, stunning display, versatile cameras, and ethical design. It's a device that delivers on all fronts. For more details on pricing and availability, visit Fairphone site. Join the revolution and make a choice that's good for you and the planet.